times go. Ain't gonna worry no more. Who's that knocking on my door? Hard time. Hard time. What's that blowing in my window? Cold wind. Cold wind. Let the cold winds blow and the hard times go. Ain't gonna worry no more. No more.
I can't seem to learn not to love you, for you get to me every time. You're someone I just can't say no to, and you're so good at changing my mind. There I go down that wrong road again, going back where I've already been. Even though we know where it'll end, there I go down that wrong road again. I see the web you are weaving, you and your soft evil eyes. Before I can think I'm believing, and I'm falling for you one more time. There I go down that wrong road again, going back where I've already been. Even though we know where it'll end, there I go down that wrong road again. There I go down that wrong road again, going back where I've already been. Even though we know where it'll end, there I go down that wrong road again. There I go down that wrong road again. You're running wild. How long can this go on? You're leaving me alone and running wild. You're always gone. My love you'll never share. It's more than I can bear. You're running wild. You'll settle down someday and find I've gone away. You'll think of what you've done while running wild. I can't go on. You'll have to choose the way. You'll have to go or stay. Stop running wild. You'll settle down someday
can't go on. You'll have to choose the way. You'll have to go or stay. Stop running wild. No home, just a drifter on the sea of regret. The love that you promised to me on that day is now gone forever, like the vows that you've made. My heart is so empty, it's easy to tell. Like a ship on the ocean, I'm lost without sail. When you walked away, my heart went with you. You stole it from me the day that we met. And now I must live my life in sorrow. No home, just a drifter on the sea of regret. Must be for the way that I feel. You're only a dream, girl. I know you're not real. When you walked away, my heart went with you. You stole it from me the day that we met. Of regret. No home, just a drifter on the sea of regret.
Passing by a lonesome graveyard, everything neath that cold gray tombstone. In this world I'm left to wonder, with no one to call my own. While my precious darling sleeping neath that cold gray tombstone. Out there in that lonesome graveyard, she is sleeping all alone, and they buried my heart with her neath that cold gray tomb of stone. Skies above are dark and stormy, all the sunshine, all is gone. For the one I love is sleeping neath that cold gray great tombstone. My heart's dead and yet I'm living, traveling through this world alone. I wish that I was with my darling, 'neath that cold gray tomb of stone.
The stars up in the sky remind me of your eyes and the way they used to gaze into mine. The moon up above brings back memories of love I thought was true and so divine. Never again, no, never no more. Never again will I knock upon your door. Never again, but these words I can say, I'll find a true love and stay out of your way. You led me on before I knew the score. You cheated and you lied, I stayed right by your side until one day you simply closed the door. Never again, no, never no more. Never again will I knock upon your door. Never again, but these words I can say, I'll find a true love and stay out of your way. Singing the song is down the trail I ride. Well, the rattlesnake a rattle at the prairie dog, don't you hear that mournful tune? It's roundup time away out west when the cactus are in bloom. Daylight comes in the kind, yeah, I call out every man. I throw my saddle on my old cow horse, I drink my coffee from a can. Sun goes down on the cattle trail, I'm a-gazing at the moon. It's roundup time away out west when the cactus are in bloom. Cold weather, it never snows or rains. That is where the sun shines best, and on the western plains. Some of my boys have gone away, but they will be back soon. I'm roundup time away out west when the cactus are in bloom. Daylight comes in the kind, yeah, I call out every man. I throw my saddle on my old cow horse and drink my coffee from a can. Sun goes down on the cattle trail, I'm a-gazing at the moon. It's roundup time away out west when the cactus are in bloom.
heart will be with you, my darling, and I'm counting all the days. I know that soon I'll have to travel. I know I'm over the hill. I feel so all alone, and I said she'd be gone when I heard that first whippoorwill. Flowers are blooming, little darling, with the budding of the trees. I hear them night birds a crying. I know that they are warning me. I know that soon I'll have to travel. I know I'm over the hill. I feel so all alone, but I said she'd be gone when I heard that first whippoorwill. Our love was planted, little darling, just like the farmer plants his grain. But there will never be a harvest on the hill where the whippoorwill now sings. I know that soon I'll have to travel. I know I'm over the hill. I feel so all alone, and I didn't said she'd be gone when I heard that first whippoorwill.
The postman came and brought a letter. Was from her boy who went away. She gave him up to join the color. Each time he writes, I hear her pray.
Dear God, watch over my boy in service. Help him win the victory. And when this cruel war is over, send him safely home to me.
The day he left, they walked together down to the train that took him away. She knew her boy would be a hero. Her smiling eyes just seemed to say,
Dear God, watch over my boy in service. Help him win the victory. And when this cruel war is over, send him safely home to me.
now soldier boy, don't e'er forget her. She prays to God for you each day, that I may never overtake you while you are fighting far away.
Dear God, watch over my boy in service. Help him win the victory. And when this cruel war is over, send him safely home to stormy waves are up and rolling high, but amidst it all I plainly see 'tis the fairest of all heaven, and the keeper heard my cry. 'Tis Rock of Angel, just left for me.
Stormy water around me,
All around
and
me,
the thunder rolls,
and the thunder rolls,
and the
mighty billows toss my soul.
Down the find sweet comfort,
Find sweet comfort when I see 'tis Rock of Angel, just left for me. Now the homeland I am nearing, harbor lights come into view, and the welcome bells ring out so free. Just a few short days of sailing, and we'll have a life that's new. 'Tis Rock of Angel, just left for me.
stormy water around me,
All around
and
me,
the thunder rolls,
and the thunder rolls,
and the
mighty billows toss my soul.
Then I find sweet comfort,
Find sweet comfort when I see 'tis Rock of Angel, just left for me.
stormy water around me,
All around
and
me,
the thunder rolls,
and the thunder rolls,
and the
mighty billows toss my soul.
Then I find sweet comfort,
Find sweet comfort when I see 'tis Rock of Angel, just left for me. 'Tis Rock of Angel, just left for me.
upon the Blue Ridge Mountains, oh there I'll take a stand. Upon the Blue Ridge Mountains, oh there I'll take a stand. With a rifle on my shoulder, 6-shooter in my hand, Lord knows I've been all around this world. Oh Lulu, my Lulu, oh come and open the door. Lulu, my Lulu, oh come and open the door. Before I have to open it with my old 44, Lord knows I've been all around this world. She took me to her parlor and cooled me with a fan. Took me to her parlor and cooled me with a fan. She whispered low in her mammy's ear, just to love this traveling man. Lord knows I've been all around this world. Oh hang me, so I'll be dead and gone. Hang me, so I'll be dead and gone. But I wouldn't mind your hanging, boy, for you staying in jail so long. Lord knows I've been all around this world. Now Papa and Mama and little sister make 3. Papa and Mama and little sister make 3. They'll walk me down to the gallows, boy, that's the last you'll see of me. Lord knows I've been all around this world.
Sitting alone in an old rocking chair, I saw an old mother with silvery hair. She seems so neglected by those who should care, rocking alone in an old rocking chair. Her hands were all calloused and wrinkled and old. A life of hard work was the story they told. And I thought of angels as I saw her there, rocking alone in an old rocking chair. Bless her old heart, do you think she'd complain? Though life has been bitter, she'd live it again, and carry that cross that is more than her share, rocking alone in an old rocking chair. It wouldn't take much just to gladden her heart, just some small remembrance on somebody's part. A letter would brighten her empty life there, rocking alone in an old rocking chair. I know some orphans in an orphan's home who think they own heaven if she were their own. They'd never be willing to let her sit there, rocking alone in an old rocking chair. I look at her and I think what a shame. The ones who forgot her she loves just the same. And I think of angels as I see her there, rocking alone in